Good day, my dearest employer. My name is Donna Rose Habat, 31 years old, married, have two daughters, 11 and 7 years old. I am a Roman Catholic, high school graduate, and I am from Philippines. This is my third applying abroad as a domestic helper. First is Saudi Arabia. I finished contract there for 2 years and 1 year extend. Start on November 20, 2019, end of November 24, 2022. My employers there is husband and wife and 3 kids. The 2 kids is twin, same 13 years old, girl and boy, and the youngest one is 8 years old girl. My major duties there is to taking care of kids, cleanliness of house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and a little cooking, some basic cooking or dishes. Second is Malaysia. I worked there for 1 year and 3 months only. It is a break contract. My employers there is husband and wife, one son, 24-year-old. My major duties there is the cleanliness of house, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and a little backyard garden outside. 1 year and 3 months only because I need to go back to Philippines because my one daughter have an emergency problem. She have a motorcycle accident, need an operation. That's why I need to go back home to take care of him. That's why my employer and I decided to terminate my contract. Now, the problem is solved. I am here now at Philippines looking again for a new employer. I choose Hong Kong because a high salary and I need this job to help my family and to my 2 kids' future someday. Mom and sir, I am reliable, responsible, trustworthy, fast learner, and very hardworking person. And I am willing to follow all your rules inside your house. Mom and sir, I hope you choose me as your new helper. And I promise to you, I will do all my best to help you and your family. See you very soonest, Mom and sir. Thank you and God bless.